I am making a very simple hand wash with 2 simple surfactants, or as you know it as detergent, that gives you the nice bubbles. And for cleaning your hands, I am using a bit of salt water to thicken up this, and I'm using the cocamidopropylbenzene, which is the surfactant, liquid surfactant. I did use some SLSA in hot water, and I've added to the mix, and glycerine, lots of glycerine for the hands to keep it from drying out and cracking. I'm adding a bit of mica to my mix. I've already added the preservative. I did add a bit of polysorbic because I will be using fragrance, so I want the fragrance to blend in nicely into the hand wash. And this is a beautiful, beautiful purple. Can you see the shimmer? It has a bit of shimmer. I am using a lavender from Windy Point. I love the smell of lavender, and a bit of pineapple mango. It makes it such an exotic scent. It smells so good. This is real spa scent, and I love it. It smells so good. So guys, very easy. If you have these products in your home, you can make a simple hand wash for your bathroom.